Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the screen time for the specific applications in this device. So if you are wasting too much time to scrolling Instagram, TikTok, any social media application, then you can set the restriction to access these applications. For this, go to settings, then here you can see the option screen time, tap on this one, then tap on the option app limit, then tap on the option add limit. Then you can see some categories of applications you can see here, and from here you can select the application that you want to set the app limit. If you tap on the option entertainment, then you can see some entertainment applications you can see here. So if you want to set the app limit for the Hotstar, then select the option Hotstar. Tap on next. So here you can enter the time for this one. So here I am going to set the time for 1 hour. You can see the option app limit will apply to all of your device signed into iCloud with share across device enabled. A notification will appear 5 minutes before the limit is reached. Okay, if you want to customize the days, tap on this one, then you can customize the days. You can see Sunday, Monday, all of this for 1 hour. Tap on add. You can see for every day we can use Hotstar for only 1 hour. You can see set daily time limit for app categories you want to manage. Limit reset every day at midnight. Okay. So simply in this way you can set the screen time for the specific application on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.